It's time for you to stop wondering how to use Audacity the right way. I'm going to show you some simple editing techniques in Audacity. It's a free software program so you can get started on podcasting or recording home demos right now. Let's go. I'm Megan Kuhar, and I'm a marketing technology coach. I teach musicians how to use technology and social media to find their audience and build their community. I'm going to give you a tour of the Audacity window, and we're just going to go over a few of the tools that you can use in this free software program. It's available for Mac and PC, and it's great for podcasting and for recording quick demos. All right, let's get started. So this is what the Audacity window looks like. There's already a few tracks that are open, and you can see it's pretty basic. By each track, there's a mute and solo button, a volume slider, and a left and right pan slider. The volume allows you to mix each track so that you can have a balance that you need for whatever recording you're creating. Same with the left and right pan. It allows you to place things within the stereo field. Mute and solo, pretty obvious. Solo means that only that track will play. Mute means that that track won't play. So I just want to go over the basic settings here in Audacity. Up here at the top, there's an input and output section. The input's labeled with the microphone, the output's labeled with a speaker cone. With your microphone, you're going to choose which one you're using to record, and you're going to want to make sure that your speaker also is set to the proper output. You can start monitoring your audio by clicking on the microphone up at the top and clicking on Start Monitoring. At this point, you should be able to start seeing your level, which means you can know whether your signal's at a good level for recording. You want to make sure that your signal is kind of hovering over here in this 12 to 6 range. It's actually -12 to -6 dB, and that will make sure you're getting a nice level without overpowering the microphone. So we've gone over our I/O or input-output. We've gone over how to monitor our audio. This is the point where we can start recording. Make sure you have everything muted that you don't want to have playing during your recording, and you're going to hit record, and it'll automatically create a new track and start recording right away. See how my waveforms are a great size? They're large enough that I can make sure I have a good level of audio, but they're not too big that they're peaking out on the microphone. All right, so up here in the transport, obviously you have your record button, you've got stop, you've got play, you've got fast forward, rewind, and pause. So I'm gonna hit stop, and I'm gonna go backwards, and I'm gonna check out exactly what I just recorded. First, I gotta find it. All right, here it is. So I just wanna show you a few of the basic editing tools. Over here at the top, you have an envelope tool, a selection tool, a zoom tool, and a time shift tool. Those are kind of the ones that you're going to use the most. The selection tool obviously allows you to select things, and you can do anything like cut or copy or delete those sections that you have selected. The time shift tool allows you to move entire regions at the same time so that you can line them up where they need to be. The envelope tool allows you to change the audio a little bit at a time so that you can kind of automate sound. So let's say you have your intro music coming in and you want it to fade out and kind of like decrease as the narration comes in for your podcast. You can do that with the envelope tool. You can basically draw volume changes that way. The last basic tool is your zoom tool. This allows you to zoom in closer on the waveform so you can kind of see what you need to edit clearly. We're going to continue the editing conversation and get more in depth with the editing tools in Audacity in the next video. So go ahead and click on subscribe to make sure you don't miss any content, and I'll see you over in the next video.